A very beautiful copper zari base saree with very elegant pink combination. Here we have Rani pink, a very beautiful combination, rare and elegant color, very attractive. You can see the copper glow as well as the pink's beauty in this particular saree. All over floral pattern. The pattern also have a golden zari shaded design. Really, it's very rare in weaving. Beautiful handloom weaving with a silver zari border. The border have pink base and silver zari is used here. Top border is 3 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. And we also have the pallu, which is also in the hexagon weaving pattern. Very fast moving, beautiful collection. All over this pallu is also very elegant with copper zari weaving. We also have meena work in the pallu. A rich collection with copper and silver, copper and pink in the pallu also, as well as in the blouse piece. Blouse piece have beautiful borders which we can use for the sleeves of the saree. Beautiful collection. Grab yours soon. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree. Copper zari base with beautiful all over self weaving. Very different design, exclusive sarees. Very elegant copper zari base. You can see the peacocks inside the beautiful floral pattern. Multiple colors are used. Red and green are very prominent on the copper base. You can see the very elegant peacock design which is done using silk threads again. So we have work concept with green combination. The green is also bright parrot green color. The top border of the saree here is 4 inches with jacquard weaving and the bottom border is 8 inches. Both done using golden zari, and we have a very beautiful zari silk saree. You can see the beautiful copper zari finish bar. On it the golden zari weaving is done in the pallu. Very beautiful design with the same copper and green combination blouse piece. The blouse piece is also very beautiful with both sides border which you can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree with elegant copper base and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a premium, beautiful, trendy zari work collection. Beautiful and glittery sarees, fully handmade weaving. A gold saree here, very beautiful gold zari base with same golden work. It's a beautiful weaving pattern all over the saree with a blue combination borders. The borders are sky blue color with jacquard weaving. The top border is a 4-inch border and we have a very beautiful 16-inch big border at the bottom. It's a very beautiful weaving. You can see the work, elegant one with same tissue pallu. The pallu have the tissue and embossed pattern weaving, and we have beautiful golden zari work in the pallu. It is interlock weaving technique with very elegant weaving pattern, and we have same tissue blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern blouse piece with both sides we have beautiful borders which we can use for the sleeve. We will get a very big sleeve. Beautiful saree, a goldish gorgeous saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari war sarees with very elegant combination color. Here we have neon green on top of copper zari which gives a beautiful copper glow as well as a green glow. Very elegant saree with meena work done on the copper zari all over the saree. It's an all silk weaving with borders in beautiful green, light green color with silver zari design in the borders. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is here 8 inches. Beautiful Kanjivaram type border. Best and beautiful wedding collection of Kanjivaram with the zari bar. You can see the bar threads which is copper, and we have beautiful rich pallu. The pallu is also elegantly woven with the hexagon weaving pattern. The blouse piece is copper zari mixed with light green color to give a beautiful glow with borders. The complete saree is an elegant, fine, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari base, a party and a celebration wear, mainly for weddings. And here we have a pink combination, bright pink, very lovely color with copper base zari. Elegant floral pattern, very trendy and beautiful modern design all over, which is woven, hand woven design. And the pink borders are given on with silver zari weaving. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Beautiful combination, the copper and pink are. And we have a blouse piece and pallu which is also in copper zari with pink combination. Hexagon pattern all over weaving with the meena work in the pallu. And the blouse piece of the saree here is also a very elegant zari and silk woven. Pink and copper zari is woven here with borders which can be used for the sleeves. Excellent saree, beautiful, rich collection, very fast moving, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection. A premium quality bridal silk in Kanjivaram with all self weaving. The bar here is completely copper zari. On it Violet color threads are used along with pink used for the Meena work. A beautiful 3D type designing, very elegantly woven using zari and threads. And the pallu of the saree and borders are in same color. Very bright pink, it's a candy pink color, and we have silver zari woven design. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Very elegant peacock and the traditional Kanjivaram border design. The pallu of the saree is also in the same pink along with copper zari weaving. Beautiful zari woven pattern. Very elegant, rich pallu. And we have blouse piece with the copper zari and pink combination, and we also have borders in silver zari base. Very elegant saree, beautifully designed and woven. Hand woven saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram bridal silk saree. A very beautiful bridal silk with copper zari base. The complete zari warp it is, copper zari is used, and we have a beautiful pink shade, a copper zari shade as well as yellow shade in this particular saree. Very beautiful one with diagonal weaving patterns, completely all self weaving, handmade one with a very big border. The border of the saree is 16 inches at the bottom, which is very rich and beautiful. The top border of the saree is 6 inches in short one. A completely jacquard weaving, hand woven, very elegant collection with a beautiful tissue woven pallu. The pallu have copper zari work and it is rich and grand. With same tissue woven blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern in the blouse piece, tissue base, and we have the borders on both sides. This border can be used for a big sleeve, almost a 3/4 sleeve we will get. Beautiful saree with excellent design, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk with Meena work and all over all silk weaving. On the base of copper zari, the warp here itself is a copper zari. You can see the copper glow on the saree. Along with that, olive green color is mixed to get a beautiful design. A tree on tree, the bird sitting design is given. The birds are done here using silk thread that is in pink color, which is very contrast to the body color. Really beautiful saree with excellent pallu, and the border of the saree is also in the pallu color, pink. The top border here is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches with beautiful zari woven design, that is a silver zari used for borders along here. And we have a pallu that is in contrast, copper and pink mixed color. All over the pallu we have very elegant weaving, rich pallu with copper zari woven design, and we have plain blouse piece with the both zari as well as pink threads are mixed. Even in the blouse piece we have the border which we can use for the sleeves. Beautiful design and excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful copper zari warp sarees with very elegant Meena work and all silk weaving, a fully hand woven beautiful design. You can see the beautiful copper glow. The warp itself is copper here, and violet threads are used to get a beautiful saree with tree design. The tree design is done using silver zari, and we have pink birds used here. Pink zari, pink threads are used, and we have pink borders. The borders here are jacquard weaving done using silver zari. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. A perfect Kanjivaram border. And we have a very elegant pallu. The pallu is also very elegantly zari woven. Fully copper zari base and pink are used, and we also have silver and copper zari usage in the pallu design. And we have blouse piece which is plain. Both zari as well as pink threads are used for the total blouse here. And we also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree, very beautiful combo, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful copper zari warp with Meena work done on silk threads, completely hand woven, very elegant all silk weaving. Here we have a beautiful copper glow because of the bar, and on it violet color is used here with blue color used for the Meena work. A Kodi pattern all over, very elegant weaving. Look like a 3D, but it's completely woven, and we have light blue color borders. The borders have silver zari woven design, jacquard weaving. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border here is very elegant 8-inch border. The pallu of the saree is also very beautiful copper zari woven design. Copper zari base and the light blue is mixed, and we have all over copper zari woven design. Very rich pallu with same color blouse piece. You can see the zari and thread mixed finish in the blouse piece also with borders which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree, very beautiful design. Attractive and gorgeous, comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a trending, most beautiful premium Kanjivaram on zari warp. Here we have a copper zari base. On it, light green color is the silk here used, and all over red is used for the Meena work. Very beautiful collection. The combination of red and green and all over also weaving a perfect wedding saree with the red borders. The border have golden zari, it's a shuttle gold, mix of silver and gold color zari used for the borders, and top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border in 8 inches. And here we have the combination of silver and gold color in the zari, in the pallu, and all over this pallu pattern. It is woven very elegantly along with red base, and red and zari color is mixed here for the blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree, beautiful combination, color is very perfect with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful zari woven trending bridal collection, a premium one in Kanjivaram. On copper zari base we have a beautiful rose pattern, very famous and top trending design. You can see the closely done one. Copper zari is the base and purple violet color is used here for the weaving. 3D type finish on the floral part, all self weaving, and the borders here are deep purple color, violet color, blue and violet mixed color with the silver zari work. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border with peacocks and floral, which is a 10-inch border. And here we have a copper zari woven blouse pallu. Pallu also have Meena work, very closely woven, beautiful pallu with borders. And the blouse piece of the saree is also having the zari combined with violet color base for the beautiful blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves and the beautiful pattern or ari work. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a premium trending bridal collection on zari work. Here we have a very pretty saree on golden zari base. Blue color is given for the thread and mixed combined zari work, and we have golden color as well as copper and fine colors like red are used here for the Meena work. A beautiful weaving saree. The 3D flowers would look like a 3D work. It's completely weaving, hand woven one. The borders in the bright red color. Golden zari is used for the weaving. Jacquard weaving. 4 inches for the top border and 8 inches for the bottom border. Bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border with the floral creepers pattern. The pallu of the saree is also in the red and zari base. Beautiful big pallu, very elegantly hand woven pallu with the borders running in the pallu as well. The blouse piece is also a zari combined with red combination. Blouse piece can have a beautiful zari woven borders. Excellent saree, beautiful collection, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a trending beautiful zari warp sarees with a excellent combination colors. Most beautiful one for the Indian brides. Here we have a copper zari base saree with a pink and green used for the sarees weaving, completely a 3D type weaving, elegantly done using Meena work all over the saree. The border of the saree here is deep pink with silver zari woven design. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border with 10 inches. The blouse piece, the pallu of the saree is a zari woven one. You can see silver zari, golden zari and pink is used here. Very rich border, and it comes in the pallu all over with the blouse piece also having zari and combination of silk with the borders running in the blouse piece as well, which we can use for the sleeves. An excellent saree, beautiful pallu, it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium silk on the zari warp base. Here we have silver zari warp on it. A peach color is given for the base color of the saree with blue and yellow used for the weaving. Finely woven, beautiful saree. You can see the 3D finished flowers on it. Excellent weaving, and the purple color is given for the borders. The border base is dark purple with silver zari weaving again. A jacquard weaving border. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. A typical Kanjivaram border. The bottom with silver zari work. And the pallu of the saree here is also in the silver zari base with purple used for the weaving. Finely woven, rich pallu, big pallu and rich pallu too. With the blouse piece also having the same zari and purple mixed color, silver and purple mixed color. And the borders are given in the blouse piece also, which you can use for the sleeves of the saree. A very beautiful and trending silk bridal, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful collection, a premium bridal silk of Kanjivaram, which is trending now. Copper zari base, you can see the beautiful copper glow on the saree. On it, pink and other silver zaris are used here to get a beautiful meena work. A very rich saree, finely hand woven, beautiful weaving it is, with the silver zari woven borders on the pink base itself. We have top border jacquard weaving 4 inches and the bottom border here is 10 inches. And we have a beautiful copper base pallu with pink combination. Meena work pallu it is. Pallu is also very grand with the borders running in the both sides, and the blouse piece also have the borders. The blouse piece here is zari combined with thread, which gives a beautiful zari woven glittery finish. Excellent saree, a fine finish one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. Very beautiful Meena work, elegant sarees, a premium fine stuff of Kanjivaram. Very trendy bridal collection it is with the red combination. The saree here is in the var, golden zari var, and on it the multicolored Meena work is done. Completely it is weaving a 3D kind work. You can see the finish, completely handmade, beautiful sarees with a big border, an 8-inch border at the bottom in the red base with the Kanjivaram beautiful jacquard weaving border. Silver zari is used for the borders, and the top border is also 4 inches. The pallu here is also beautifully woven with the zari and thread mixed weaving, a finely woven pallu, and we have same zari mixed with thread combination blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the running borders, very elegant one, which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium bridal collection. Zari var, very beautiful golden zari var saree here on it. A very different 3D type weaving. Completely it is weaving, not print. Done using pink, yellow and multiple color silk threads. We have silver zari also to give the finishing to the saree. A finely woven beautiful all silk collection with the borders in deep pink color. The borders are done using silver zari. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border here is 8 inches. A typical Kanjivaram border with the peacocks and the mango design. And the pallu of the saree here is very elegant weaving. Completely the zari base, and we have on it the work is done with the zari, the pink threads, which gives a beautiful finish to the pallu. The pallu have the borders running in it. The blouse piece is also a combination of silver zari and the pink combo. The borders runs in the blouse piece as well, which we can use for the sleeves of the saree. An excellent saree, very different exclusive collection, and it comes with authentic silk.